Another Valentine's Day is here. When I think about you, my eyes fill with tears. Did you see that I brought you roses and flowers? Now together we share this day as ours. So how did I do for you today? And how did I do today for us? You see, I know it's been hard, and I know we've come far. How did I do today for love? 'Cause we only got one heart put together with two sparks that ignites the flames of love. And I never go too far without you in my heart, 'cause the sight of you I adore. And as the days roll on and pass by, I pray together we share the rest of our lives. Then I wrote you a Valentine's song. Now forever in our hearts this moment lives on. Now how did I do for you today? And how did I do today for us? You see, I know it's been hard, and I know